Installation instruction on the door. Using screwdriver to remove battery cover and install 4 AAA batteries according to positive and negative pole. Install battery cover and fasten the screw, and when you hear a beep, the installation is finished. Adjust cylinder cam. According to the above figure, use Allen wrench to remove knob by loosening the screw on knob, and use a screwdriver to loosen short screw M4 on short cover, and then remove short cover and spindle. Remove ring and cylinder cam, and swap their position according to the above figure. According to the above figure, insert spindle to its original position, and then install long cover by screwing long screw M4 tightly. Confirm the position of ring and cylinder cam according to the above figure, and then the adjustment of cylinder cam is finished. And the next step is to install lock on the door. Installation instruction on the door. Use screwdriver to disassemble old cylinder from the lock by unscrewing the cylinder screw, according to the above figure. Use Allen wrench to remove knob by loosening the screw on knob. Insert lock cylinder, and then install cylinder screw while making cylinder screw align to the screw hole of lock cylinder. Using Allen wrench to install knob by fasten the screw on knob. Initialization by key. Remove battery cover. Charge the lock by USB interface. Insert key and turn 90 degrees and hold for 3 seconds. After 3 beeps, input 000 hashtag, and after a long beep, wait for 10 seconds, and the initialization is finished. Turn and pull out key.